Hey friends, welcome to Texas Bluesman Barbecue. I'm Paul Bird, I'm the Texas Bluesman, and on this channel, I barbecue. So anyway, this is part of the series of my new LoneStarGrillz 20 by 36 inch pellet smoker that I got from lonestargrillz.com down in Conroe, Texas. And be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so when the next video in the series comes out, you'll be the first to see it. So check it out. Hey, good morning everybody. Last night we seasoned the new smoker, and I let it run for 5 hours, and then I put on a pork butt that I had just, it was 2 o'clock in the morning. I wasn't going to film the whole thing, but anyway, I just cross-hashed the fat cap, slathered it with mustard, and used Meat Church Holy Voodoo on it. So we're about to go take a look at that and see where it is temperature-wise, all the other kind of stuff, and continue on with the day. Happy Independence Day. If you're seeing this, it's already passed. So anyway, let's go take a look. All right, here we are, and here's my new LoneStarGrillz 20 by 36 pellet smoker, and we're going to take a look here. The tell true temp, which is still at about 225, and oh man, look at that pork butt, man. That is definitely a thing of beauty. I'll lighten that up for you. So it's about to the stage where I'm ready to do something with it. Here, let's grab the thermometer. You hear the pellets falling into the pit down there. And you'll see that we're reading 155 on that. So it's got a ways to go. I'm gonna grab and put a wrap on it, and then we're gonna let it go. That seal. So you shut that lid, all the smoke goes right back out of the stack. Look at that. Nice, beautiful, solid, white, just barely white, clean fire. Really excited about this new smoker, and that meat's going to be great. All right. Now, would you look at that? Beautiful color. Sorry, this blue umbrella is reflecting off of the foil, but nice, beautiful color to this. It's nice and juicy, right at 160 degrees, but the temperature doesn't really matter as much as the color that you want on it. So let's wrap this up. And back on the smoker. And here we are at the smoker. I've got the pork butt back on there. And we are at 250. We are set at 250. Just opened it up, so it's a little bit. Now, I just want to show you. There's 104, 105 degrees right here on my deck. Summertime in Texas. folks. I've got my Baby Back Maniac t-shirt on because I'm cooking some pork today, and this is incredible. Thank you for joining. Be back with us next time here at Texas Bluesman Barbecue. We'll see you.